Welcome students, I am Sheikh Bashir, your friend, and today we are going to learn about the area of parallelograms and triangles. This is actually a topic in class 9th mathematics, and we have already learned a lot of about this topic. That is, we have learned how to calculate the area of parallelogram, how to calculate the area of triangles, and what is the relation between the parallelogram and the triangle which are on the same base between the same parallels, and in terms of area, and what happens when a median is drawn in a triangle. Is the triangle divided into two triangles of equal area or not? So, those are the things which we have already learned about. Now, we are going to learn here some textbook problems. In your textbook there are a number of problems given, but here we will try to solve some of the problems which may help you to solve other problems. The first problem that we are going to solve is that a quadrilateral formed by the joining of the midpoints of the sides of a parallelogram is half in area of the parallelogram. So, for example, I will make it explain to you like this, that is, if you have a parallelogram, let us name this parallelogram A, B, C, D. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and we have to prove the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of these sides. First, we will draw the midpoints. Let us assume these are the midpoints of these sides, and we name this midpoints as P, Q, R, S. Now, we join these midpoints like this, and you know PQRS is a type of quadrilateral which is formed here. So, in this way we have to prove that the area of this quadrilateral PQRS is half of the area of the parallelogram ABCD. So, this is actually a problem which is given in your textbook. So, how can we prove this? To prove this, let us join P and R. Let us join P and R. Now, we know that AD is parallel to BC. Do you know why? Yes, exactly, these are the opposite sides of the parallelogram. So, these are parallel. Now, R is the midpoint of side DC and P is the midpoint of side AB. So, this means the side PR is also parallel to both of these sides AD and BC. So, we can write AD is parallel to PR is parallel to BC, Now, let us take this is a parallelogram. Again, this is a parallelogram PRCB. This is again a parallelogram because PR is parallel to BC and RC is parallel to PB. So, in this parallelogram, this is a triangle. PQR is a triangle which is on the base PR, and if you take the example of a parallelogram and a triangle which are on the same base and between the same parallels, here it meets. That means the triangle PQR and the parallelogram PBCR are on the same base PR and between the same parallels BC and PR. So, if these are the two figures on the same base between the same parallels, then we have a relation in their area, that is, the area of triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. So, we can write area of triangle PQR is half of 1 by 2 area 1 by 2 area of parallelogram PBCR. Let us name this observation 1, because we have only proven yet the area of this triangle is half of the area of this parallelogram. So, similarly, if you see APRD is again a parallelogram, and PSR is a triangle which is on the base PR, which is also the base of the parallelogram APRD. So, we can write area of triangle PSR PSR is half of the area of APRD. APRD. Let us name this as second. Now, if we know if we add the area of these two triangles, what will be that? That will be the area of the quadrilateral formed by the midpoints of the sides of the parallelogram. So we can write adding first and second. So what we will get? We get area, or I will not write here this setup. You remember it just. When we add area of triangle PQR plus area of triangle PRS, this triangle and this triangle, this will be the area PQRS. So I will simply write area of PQRS, which is equal to, this is 1 by 2 area of this is 1 by 2 area of this. So we can take 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 as common, and area of, so what is the area of PBCR? PBCR, this very parallelogram and plus area of this very parallelogram. So this is the area of complete parallelogram ABCD. So we can write this is the area of complete parallelogram ABCD. So in this way we have proved that the quadrilateral formed by the joining of the midpoints of the sides of the parallelogram is half in the area of the parallelogram. So this was a problem which was given in our textbook. Now there is one more problem. There are so many problems, but we are going to solve here one more problem. So let us name this the problem first, and this is problem second. Problem second is there. Let me tell you the problem is there. O is the midpoint on the median of a triangle ABC. Prove that the area of triangle AOD is 1/4 of the triangle ABC. ऐसे आपको समझ नहीं आएगा ये. I will show a picture here. ये ट्रायंगल आपको नजर आ रही होगी. ये ट्रायंगल ABC जो है, AD is the median of this triangle, and O जो AD median है, O is the midpoint on the median AD. तो हमने प्रूव करना है एरिया ऑफ BOD, ये वाली ट्रायंगल जो है, इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया जो है दैट इज 1/4 ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ कंप्लीट ट्रायंगल. यानी जो आपके पास ट्रायंगल है उसका चौथवां हिस्सा इसका एरिया होगा. तो इसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, यहां पे यही मैं एक ट्रायंगल ड्रा कर रहा हूं यहां पे, जैसे यहां पे. सो लेट दिस बी द मिड पॉइंट वी ड्रा हियर. दिस इज A, B and C. So let us name this midpoint as D, and the midpoint here O. Suppose this is the midpoint O, we join this O and OC. So we have to prove the area BDO is 1/4 of the area of the triangle ABC. Bilkul, this is easy, you can do it because you know that the median divides a triangle into two triangles of equal area. So you have to use this situation twice, and which will help you to prove the result. I will help you here how to prove the result. So first we know area of triangle ABD, which is half of the area of triangle ABC. Do you know why? Area of triangle ABD is half of the area of the triangle ABC. Do you know why? Because AD is the median. When AD is the median, the area of this very triangle is equal to area of this very triangle. That means the area of ABD triangle ABD is half of the area of the triangle ABC. So we write here are simply AD is median. AD is median. AD is median. Now again let us name this. This is one. This is the case first. Again in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, O is midpoint. O is midpoint of AD. ये AD का midpoint है. AD midpoint है. This means it means BO is the median of triangle ABD. ये इसका median भी है. तो बिल्कुल हम लिख सकते हैं फिर अगर ये median है तो इस triangle का एरिया इस triangle के एरिया के बराबर होगा. तो हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि या ये जो ट्रायंगल है इसका एरिया होगा हाफ ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD. So we can write area of triangle BOD is half of the area of triangle ABD. ABD. So let this be second. Let this be second. Now you know the area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is 1 by 2 area of triangle ABC. So let us use this here. We have to prove, actually what we have to? We have to prove the area of triangle BOD is 1 by 4th of the triangle of the area of ABC. So we can write here area of triangle BOD is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Area of triangle ABD, ABD is 1 by 2 ABC. So we can write here 1 by 2 area of triangle ABC. Now further solving this 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 into area of triangle ABC. This is what we have been asked to prove about. तो इसका मतलब है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BOD जो है that is 1 by 4th of the triangle area of the triangle ABC. So in this way, if you will be asked to prove the area of triangle ABO is 1 by 4th, similarly you can prove that, and similarly this. That means the area of each of the 4 triangles is 1 by 4th of the area of the complete triangle ABC. So this was the second problem which we have proved. Now let us prove one more problem, and we name this problem number 3rd. So what is the problem number 3rd actually? Diagonals of a parallelogram divided into 4 triangles of equal area. For example, if you have a parallelogram, let us draw a parallelogram here like this. This is a parallelogram and we name this parallelogram ABCD. This is the diagonal AC and this is the diagonal BO. So let these intersect at the point O. Now the diagonals divide the parallelogram into 4 triangles. What we have to prove? We have to prove the area of these 4 triangles is equal. The area of these 4 triangles is, yani these are equal in area. So how can we prove that? Okay, let us try. First we will try the area of 2 triangles, these 2 triangles is equal. How can we prove that? We know that ABC is a triangle, right? Is a triangle. AO is a diagonal and is also the base of the triangle ABC, or one of the sides of the triangle ABC, and O is the midpoint on AC, is it? Yes, exactly, because in earlier chapter you might have learned that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Exactly, if you remember it, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So in that way we can say that O is the midpoint of AC. So when O is the midpoint, it means BO is the median of the triangle ABC. So we can say BO is median of triangle ABC. So when there is median in a triangle, what it do? It divides the triangle into 2 triangles of equal area. So this implies area of AOB, this very triangle, is equal to area of BOC. BOC. So this, let this be number first. Secondly, let us take these 2 triangles. You know ADB is a triangle, and let us call this BD as the base of the triangle. You know DO is equal to OB, because why? Because O is the midpoint of the side BD, because the diagonals of the parallelogram by